Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove card from OnlyFans. To remove a card from OnlyFans, start by opening the app or website and navigating to your profile. Once there, locate the Your Cards or Payments section where all your saved cards are listed. Select the card you wish to remove and press the Delete or Remove option. Confirm the removal and tap the card that will no longer be linked to your account. And keep in mind, if this card was set as a payment method for any active subscriptions, those payments will stop automatically once it's removed. Additionally, it's a good idea to double check your subscriptions and payment history to ensure no pending charges remain. This simple process ensures your payment methods stay up to date and secure on OnlyFans. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.